Breaking news, Gunma Prefecture. By Isesaki FM AI. A man was crushed to death when a metal product fell from the bed of a truck in Oizumi Town, Gunma Prefecture. Around 9:30 a.m. on the 3rd, a man was unloading materials from a truck bed at an auto parts manufacturing company in Oizumi Town when he was crushed by iron products and other items that fell from the bed. The man was taken to hospital following the accident, but was confirmed dead. According to the police, the man was crushed by an iron product weighing 800 kilograms.